Hello guys, so I have prepared this video so you can stay with me here as I try to do a boots for a cosplay, my Takemi cosplay, where the materials used are fake leather, I think you call it a fake leather, and glue gun, glue sticks, and of course my sewing machine and some velcro tape. This is not a very logical arrangement because this is my second attempt. First attempt was the video on the top earlier where I made it with glue gun because I was lazy and I couldn't sew that time yet because of my health. But then I had to opt for stronger. Yeah, so I have to use the sewing machine and sew the straps in the length of my legs, the circumference. I measure them, I eyeball them because I am not in the mood to make the very measurement. So, yeah, the straps that I sew is just like long pieces of straps. And that's like how it is being shown in the video at the moment. Yeah, just doing like that with a velcro behind so it will stick together so I can still use the shoes that I'm going to use for this cosplay if I want to take these straps off. So it's pretty detachable and useful or reuseful. I'm just marking it down so where the front strap goes from like near the knee to my close to my toes. So those lines is where I'm going to sew it later and attach them together with my sewing machine. Much repetitive because it's really simple. You just have to mark it down and sew it together. So yeah, that's how it looks like without the strap on. You can just pull it off. Like the velcro tapes are very useful in this kinds of projects. I work on different spaces, so I'm so sorry for the changes in the setting. Yeah. So from here on, I am really just sewing it together, so it will look like an actual the strap on Takemi's shoes. Because glue gun doesn't work well with the fake leather. It doesn't stick. It rips. It rip it. No, it's weird. But yeah, just sew it together. I hope that my needle doesn't break. But also I'm so sorry for my voice and what's wrong. But I might still have it. So I'm trying to conserve my energy. So no energy in this voiceover yet. So I am just sewing during this time, and after this, I will hang it outside and spray paint it because these are scrap leathers. So I have to color them to look like Takemi's shoes, right? And those shoes, I only got them for like a couple, like 200 from Shopee. And the spray paint, I got it from a shop, of course. And yeah, I'm just praying that it will look good. Because they always say trust the process, and I am trusting myself because I don't have anything else, anything backup for this one. So it better work. It better work. So when I was like planning to spray paint this, I was thinking, will this work? Because I tried this before, but it didn't work well because I added so much paint. So I was like, I guess it. There's a chance that it will look good. There's also a chance that it will not. So just F it with ball and trust the process. But yeah, I think it came out pretty neat. Of course, I have to dry it yet. Yeah, generally, I guess it's neat. I'm just happy about it looking that neat. Yeah, so after that, like a couple of nights after that spraying, I let it dry and I actually forgot about it till I saw it laying down somewhere dry. Then I guess I can finish the work today, so I just went with it. This is not pasted yet. It's not yet complete during this part. I am just trying to fit it and to see where the final gluing of the velcro tape will go. So I got the parts and make sure it fits my legs. And you can see me there. I will be gluing the velcro tape behind the other strap and where it goes underneath the shoe, whatever that part is called. It's not even perfectly painted. I don't really bother about that since no one will see that anyway. Only me and in this video. Yeah, they're velcro bit below the fake leather, and you just tape it. You just velcro it. There's also a fly at this hour. It's like 11 p.m. I'm so sorry for that. There you go. It's like almost complete, almost done. It's taking the shape. So this was like the almost completion part. This was the last uh, leather that I have to put on to keep the shoes tight and together complete, I guess. Yeah, I just put it on. I guess it looks. I'm happy with that. I am happy with it. It looks decent. I'm just repeating the same method of pasting the Velcro tape on the other shoe. Because without the leg strap that I use, is it even like strap called? But the boot thing that I did, I can still use the shoes that I am wearing in this video for another cosplay or like simple. If I have to go outside, then I can just wear it right without ruining it. Of course, it has some dents over that I made in my previous attempt, but it's not see. You cannot see it. It's barely visible. Yeah, I'm just happy about this project. It took me like a week for this one, not work in one sitting because I got sick. And there you go. It's completed. Yay! Takemi cosplay is just waiting to be done. And there is a full clip. Yippee! Thank you for watching.